political economy. So I study capitalism. And what worries me most is how capitalism is evolving or has evolved. I'm not defending capitalism. I'm a critic of capitalism. But as a process, it can lead to different tendencies. But what is happening in global capitalism at this time, what we are seeing is classic imperialism. It's really a violent form of capitalism brought about by hyper-competition. Yeah, it could lead to monopoly, but what we are witnessing is the response of a hegemon in decline.